right, trading is over for Wednesday, December the 6th, 2 days prior to FNP, not for professionals, non-farm payroll. So my best trade today, the one that made me the money, and I made 30 points today, but the one that made me the money was this one. Me and a couple guys that were on the Zoom early, we took this short, got an immediate touch and go. That's what I call when it touches a line and it goes. So that was a beautiful touch and go with multiple contracts against a high time frame level that I gave you earlier in the week to mark on your chart. And that was fantastic. Then I played it small for the rest of the time to my quitting time, and I was done. So beautiful trade here. I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're trading smaller, wider, greedier. So if you're in my group, I told everybody that now is a better time to trade the body of the candles than the wick of the candles because you get a greedier price. And trade location is everything. Zoom out to a 1 hour chart and look where you're at. Let's do it here. I'm going to zoom out to a 1 hour chart. We've been in this little range for what, 10 days now? I'm going to draw through here. This makes the most sense to me. And where are we? We're smack dab in the middle. Let's go to a 3-minute chart. Let's go to RTH where I can see back-to-back sessions. Where are we right now? Right where we spent 5 hours yesterday. Is this a place you want to trade? The answer is no. Trade location and knowing when not to trade are critical. I hope you stay safe. I'll see you tomorrow.
Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.